Got myself a Forester. I traded the Benz for it. What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. Been real busy the last couple days. Unfortunately, I got rid of the Mercedes-Benz project, but I got something new. Traded that for a 98 Forester with a dual red cam engine. It's got an engine knock, so I gotta find a replacement engine. No big deal, but it's rust-free manual, and I already gutted the interior. As you can see, the seats are here. They smell terrible, so those are going to the dump. And I put the black WRX seats in there, and that's so far. Oh, and I put a Momo WRX steering wheel in there. But so far, that's all I've done with that. Removing those seats, cleared up some space here. My garage is just destroyed right now. Gotta take that box to the dump. Gotta get rid of the tires that are over there. It's got a ton of stuff. Finally got the AVCS completely wired up on both sides. I decided not to make a tutorial video on that because the instructions that were provided in the iWire, that's where I got it from, are so easy. I mean, if you can't figure out how to do it, you probably shouldn't even be doing the engine swap. I retaped up the harness to kind of put it all back together, make it look nice. And I found out some cool news on the WRX trans that I pulled from the parts car. By looking up the code, this is actually a JDM 05 Forester transmission off a turbo Forester. So that I noticed that where the axles go in, it looked a lot different than what I'm used to. So I started doing some investigating on this transmission and found that out. So I'm real excited. One of the big cons I've read on this transmission is it's got a very, very short first gear. But I'm not too worried about that. I've heard that it's a very strong transmission, one of the most reliable ones that Subaru ever made in the 5-speed. So that's awesome. And I've also read a lot of reviews that saying that it's basically as good as a 6-speed minus you don't have the 6th gear, which is unfortunate. So we're gonna head outside now and check out the Forester, and I want to show you, before we do that, I want to show you updates on the engine. Sorry, my ladder's in the way right now, but right now just got the intake and the everything's just sitting on there as like mock-up, just to kind of show you what it looks like. Waiting on the injector still. I haven't ordered them. Broke. Do have some cool new parts coming in the mail, which will be here in a couple days, so hopefully I can show you those. I'm not gonna tell you what those are yet. That's a secret. Got myself a Forester. I traded the Benz for it. Sad to see the Benz go before I even get to start the project, but I don't have the time or money, and I have a replacement engine for this. This one knocks real bad. And I have the old engine out of my Subaru, which will be going into here. This is the Forest. I started ripping out the interior. Carpet is gone. Of course, I locked it. So I forgot the keys. I don't want to go back inside to get the keys. So I'll show you the interior of the Forester. I just put the WRX seats in there and ripped the carpet and everything out. The dash is pretty much all torn apart for now. But I'll probably show you that later on in this video. It's getting late, so I'm going to head to bed here soon. I got a surprise. It's supposed to be here Tuesday. It was something that I've been just keeping my eye on for a long time, and all of a sudden it was on sale for over 50% off. So I had one left in stock, so I went ahead and bought it. So that'll be here, I believe, Tuesday. And yeah, Alex is supposed to come over next weekend, and we're going to get the front end finished, welded up. We're going to start with the rear quarters, and this week I'm going to get the JDM transmission put in. So I got to pull this one and get that U-shaped subframe off. So hopefully going to get that and this engine cradle out this week. So definitely stay tuned for some more on this video. And I'll definitely be starting a different video when Alex comes next week. I don't want this video to be too long, but hopefully I can get some work done this week for this video. So. Right now I'm just kind of running this AVCS wire along where I want to have it. I'm going to probably rewrap everything like I did here to kind of hide the wire and protect it a little bit more. And then I still got to come in, actually connect it to the ECU. I have all the diagrams and everything, the whole little booklet that came with the wire kit to do that, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. Okay guys, got a few things in the mail today. My third cam gear tool, 4 AVCS gears, and it said this was for the JDM single AVCS, which doesn't work on mine apparently, so I'm gonna scratch that idea, return that, not even gonna bother using those. I have another idea on how to tighten it, and I got this for the glove box. I'm glad I got a really good deal on this because I would never pay full price for this. One, the cutouts aren't even cut out for you. And the pictures, it shows there's items in these spots, and it just doesn't look nearly as good as what the pictures show, but I'm glad I got a really good deal on it. So let's put that in just as mock-up, see what it looks like. Honestly, I don't really care for it. I feel like it's just gonna be really hard to see. I'm obviously not putting important gauges in there. I'm putting my important 3 up there. I was just gonna throw some other ones in here and put my boost controller over here and my or my turbo timer or whatever here, but I'm not quite sure. I may not even use this. I may return it, or I won't return it because of the good deal I got on it, but I may sell it. I do kind of like it. We'll see. It's got like little spots. You'll have to screw holes in there to mount it, but we'll see. Throw this stuff back in my glove box. Got the AVCS all wired in to the correct plug down here. Now I just gotta zip tie and make these look nicer than they were. So the next task I'm going to be doing is getting the BR rev limiter, the launch controller, wired in. So it's gonna be different than wired before, so I'm gonna have to remake the entire wiring harness that I made, because there's 4 wires. There's 4 more or 2 more wires, I cannot remember, that need to be included on the WRX that wasn't on the RS. So I will be doing that. I'm hoping that I'll have everything I need tomorrow to put that together, get that harness made and installed. So I'll check back tomorrow. Hey guys, it's hot as hell. I think it's like 90 something. It's getting pretty late. I gotta head to bed. Tomorrow's Friday. Alex is coming over. So I am going to bring this video to an end. Just wanna show you guys a quick update of what I've been working on this week. So first, starting to get this engine cradle out, but I'm gonna remove everything else before I get there. Started draining gas. I didn't have anything to put it in, so I started filling those up. Filled that halfway up. Got another 2 liter sitting over here. Got some stuff to start working on my BR rev limiters wiring harness that I'm making for it. And I got the new engine cradle torn apart from everything. So there and there. Most of that I'm just gonna scrap. So other than that, I haven't done much. This car, these AEM gauges, I was never able to see the car turn on, so I had no idea if these gauges had even worked anymore. So I rigged up this little device. So I'll plug that in. Bam. So the True Boost power's on, but it goes to an error because it can't find the sensor, and this just sits at 32. I just want to bring this video to an end, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I haven't been doing a lot of big stuff to the car lately, just trying to get everything ready for it. So this weekend, hopefully, we're gonna get some welding done, and I'm hoping to get the trans pulled and the engine cradle pulled. I also still gotta start pulling that rear end, and honestly I have a lot left to do, so I'll be lucky to get that car finished by the end of this year, because now we got the Forester to work on, because I really need to get that going before winter, because that's gonna be my new winter beater. Anyways, please comment, like, subscribe, and peace. See you guys next time.